In this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Kraken to MetaMask. So to do this, you will need to have both MetaMask and Kraken open. So once you have that, first just go to MetaMask and there you want to click on Receive. Then from the list of options, just select Ethereum and go to Copy right here. That means you have now copied your wallet address. Now go back to Kraken and just go to your portfolio here, or if you're using the app, click Transfer and then Withdraw. If you're using the desktop app, go to Portfolio and then Withdraw. And then under Crypto here, just select Ethereum. And then for the network, also select Ethereum. Now here, for me, I already have it added, but if you click Change and then Add Withdrawal Address, you can paste it in, give it a nickname such as ETH MetaMask, and then click Add Withdrawal Address. They will then send you an email, so just confirm that you want to add it. From there, you can select it from the list, then choose how much you want to send. I'd recommend sending a small amount first to see if it arrives, which it should if you follow these exact steps, but just to be safe. From there, just enter how much you want to send. So again, I recommend starting with the minimum and then sending the rest. From there, click on Review. Then you have the overview with the cryptocurrency and the network and also the address. Make sure it's all correct, and if it is, click Confirm. And if you have it enabled, enter your 2FA code. And from there on MetaMask, it is going to show up. So that's really all you need to do to transfer Ethereum from Kraken to MetaMask. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.